Here we come to the elevator near Burlington, Dick's, and the food court here at Seminole Towne Center in Sanford, Florida. Out there is Macy's. And this is a Montgomery elevator. Here it is. Here's the lantern. Let's go up to UL. Here's Burlington and Dick's. You can't really see it. It's a buggy elevator, but it's still nice. Certificate of operation. Capacity 8,000 pounds. The alarm and phone. On glass. Here we are at UL. Let's take a look back into the mall. There's Dick's Sporting Goods. And here's the food court. Elevator sign. There's Macy's and there's Dillard's. Let's go back down. Here's the indicator. Let's go back down to LL. Door closed but works. I like that. Here we are at LL. It says elevator back to UL.
That was an old man.
Which man did you even call?
Yeah.
There it goes, and that's it.